Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis can help you understand opinions and emotions in text data. So let's get started. First, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can get the sign up by signing up on Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select the settings icon. Now select API section, which is on the top right corner. Now select docs and select get started. So here you can get the process of how to get an API key. You will need this key to access Perplexity AI's sentiment analysis services. Once you have your API key, prepare your text data for analysis. This could be customer reviews, social media posts, or any other textual content you want to analyze. Set up your project in your development environment and integrate Perplexity AI's API for sentiment analysis. You will need to include your API key and send your text data to the appropriate endpoint. Consult the Perplexity AI documentation for detailed instructions on formatting your requests and handling the response. This will guide you through sending your data and interpreting the results. Submit your text data for sentiment analysis and review the results provided by Perplexity AI. The analysis will typically include sentiment scores or labels indicating the overall sentiment of the text. And that's it. With Perplexity AI, you can easily perform sentiment analysis to gain insights into the opinions and emotions expressed into your textual data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.